Thank you so much for taking this course. You are not going to be disappointed with the massive amount of information that you're going to get in the next few hours, and I'm super excited to teach you all about it. So the first thing I want you to appreciate is why this course has the potential to change your life. Well, the first thing you should know, and probably one of the reasons why you took this course in the first place, is that Shopify is in super hot demand. Let me just show you a couple of articles, very recent articles about Shopify. So this first one I picked from TechCrunch.com, a very respected source, comes with Shopify beats on big revenue jump as it crosses 500,000 merchants. There are now 500,000 merchants using the Shopify platform. Yeah, you can see here that revenue for Shopify grew 75% year over year. All right, they are now making total revenue beat expectations from Wall Street at $151 million. So make no mistake, Shopify is a super hot product at the moment, and if you have the knowledge going forward, you are going to be in demand. Let's have a look at another article. Here we are on Seeking Alpha. Shopify growing like crazy. First quarter results beat expectations. 2017 will be another year of growth for Shopify, etc. This is an absolutely great area to be in. So what could you do with all this knowledge? What can you do once you've taken this course? Where can it lead you? Well, one thing you might become, or might want to become, is a Shopify consultant or a developer. Shopify, because of the huge demand for the platform, Shopify has thrown up all kinds of exciting work opportunities. Let me just go over to Upwork and I'll show you some of those jobs that people are looking for right now. Okay, so I'm over here at Upwork, which is a big marketplace area where freelancers can find work. It gives you a really good indication of what's in demand. And what I've typed in here, I've just simply typed in Shopify, right? And as I come down here, I've got this guy here, first one that pops up, $35 an hour. Julian Y, Shopify expert, $50 an hour. Another one, $45 an hour. This guy, $100 an hour, $187 an hour, $65 an hour. There are many people on this system, and they're on there because there's huge demand for their skills, and you can see that the hourly rates are very exciting. Now, the other thing you could do with this knowledge is it's going to give you a fantastic base to go out and build your own e-commerce business. And if you look at my other courses, you're going to see that I have courses that teach using Shopify specifically for drop shipping, where I teach you how to build a $10,000 per month store. So this is going to be a great start, give you some great ideas about what you might want to do should you want to progress into the area of e-commerce. So I hope you're as excited as I am to get going with this course as quickly as possible. So let's go to the next lecture where you'll simply need to click on a link to get your Shopify store started.